Hi there, this is Juan with LGG Media, and in this simple video, I'm going to show you how to change the user availability for a master team calendar. So if an employee needs to leave, or you need to leave, or only need to be booked for certain hours of the day, this is the best way to do this. So head over to your settings, head over to team management, select your name, click on edit, head over to user availability, and then you can change your schedule right here. Just you can select whatever time of day and time of the week you wanna work in. Select your time zone. Say I want to work Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays from 9 to 11 a.m. So 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Make sure it's very important that you don't screw up the AM PM setting. So do 9 a.m., 11 a.m. I want to do that every single day of the week. Sorry, from Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I want to apply to all. And then on Wednesdays, I also want to have a secondary slot where people can book me from 2 p.m. Be very important that I don't forget the AM or PM there. From 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 p.m. And that's it. When you save that, it's going to change it's going to change your availability across all the team calendars that the user is involved in. So anyway, it's very simple. Click on saved, and then you're all set to go. If you need help setting up a team calendar to begin with, there's another video in this playlist that I attached. Let me know if you have any questions after watching that video. If not, then yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, have a great day. Bye now.